Best tool to generate STL, 3D geometry file, algorithmically? I have a simple project in mind that would take a long list of triplets as input, coordinates describing a path in 3 dimensions, and generates an STL file as output. STL is a file format that describes 3D surface geometry for use in CAD and 3D printing applications. I'm a scientist, not a developer, and I'm capable with Python, so I can handle parsing an input text file if needed. What I am looking for is a command line utility, library, or simple programming language that can automate a few simple CAD tasks, for example extrude a cross-section along a path, to create a true 3D surface for STL output. Thanks.
Have you considered using Blender? It has a Python API, and can also be used in headless mode, without a GUI, by using Blender Python script.py. It also has an STL import/export plugin. Make sure to enable it in Preferences, Add-ons if you decide to try it. I'd also suggest to look at its source code if you decide to roll your own.
Review fast for the model, der ist mit uns ein bisschen